Today we're going to be reviewing MunchPak, and we're going to be telling you if it's worth it, and we're going to be giving you an overall review. Alright, so taking a look at the box, we have MunchPak on the front and everywhere else. This is the mini version. This is December of 2019, and I decided to purchase this one because they offered me a $3 coupon, so I was like, why not? And I got this a while ago. I just didn't have time to review it, but yeah, so here's a MunchPak, and it has featuring delicious snacks from Poland, Japan, Bulgaria, and more. And it shows you all the snacks that we have, but we're gonna go through that after. So first snack we have is Bigfoot. They're basically like cheese puffs, which is pretty cool. These taste similar to cheese puffs. They're not as good in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Next we have Wonder Bar. Yeah, I ate this whole thing, as you can see. It was delicious. It was a mixture of like a Butterfinger and a Snickers. Yeah, pretty much. And then here we have a Prince chocolate cookie. It's kind of like those, I don't know if you guys know it, but it's like a Mexican Maria cookie and a Nutella mixed together. It tastes really good. There's one more, which I'm probably gonna eat that after this video. Here we have cream pie Caruso cheesecake, cherry. And then we also have Haichu peach flavor, which is my favorite. We did eat this. Took a nice little cut out of that. It tastes really good. I like this one probably second. If I had to rate them, it would be this one as first, this one as second, this one as third. I never taste this and probably never will because I don't really like cheesecake, so this would be last, and then Bigfoot fourth. Overall, was it worth it for $10? Yes, because I can always give this away. The only thing that wasn't worth it is this, the Bigfoot, in my opinion, obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to be showing you where these came from. So I'm putting the pamphlet. You can have different varieties. There's like a 5 snack, 10 snack, and a 20 snack, I believe. This one we have the mini, and it comes with holiday Bigfoot cheese snack. It's from Jamaica. And then there's some more information based up on that. And the Haichu, the peach flavor, is from Taiwan. You can also read that. The Wonder Bar is from Canada. The Caruso Cream Bits is from Bulgaria. The Prince cookies are from Pakistan. And I think that's it. And then it has some fun facts about Japan. Did you know square-shaped watermelons are grown by farmers to allow easy stacking and storage? That's interesting. And then right here you have the original, which basically is everything in the mini plus these two, I believe. And then this one we have the original MunchPak, which I really want to get one of those Milka Oreo brownies. I want to test that out. It's from Germany too, so this one's from USA, so you can get this from USA. This one is from South Korea. That looks interesting. This is the family pack. And then you have Bulgaria, Japan, Turkey, and Indonesia, and some different snacks. Looks very interesting. The next time I get this, which I don't know when I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get the biggest bundle I could get, and then I'm gonna share it. So this one is the spicy like chip latte monster chick chalk. I don't know. Israel from ketchup flavored chips. What? Gummies. Gummies is probably like my least favorite like snack. I wouldn't really care for it. Oh, and then in one of the, I believe the family pack, you get a soda. That's pretty interesting because Coca-Cola Apple, it's pretty rare because it's from Japan. So that's interesting. It says enter to win a free family pack. I might as well enter that. So step 1, take pictures, share on social media, and then use hashtag MunchPak. I want to do that. The 25th, it already passed. Never mind. It's alright though. Maybe I might post this like the beginning of New Year's or something. The time I'm making this video, it is December 30th on Monday. So that's cool. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course to subscribe. It only takes 5 seconds to do so. And if you want to see more quick unboxings and reviews, please subscribe. It'll help out this channel a lot. Thank you.